what matters most. That is what the people of Ontario sent us to Queen's Park to do. And that's why we have put forward a responsible approach to restoring sustainability to Ontario's finances, one that provides and protects critical public services like healthcare and education, and one that puts an end to the failed fiscal policies of the former Liberal government, who spent $40 million every day more than they had, and racked up the largest subnational debt in the world. Speaker, the rising interest on our debt, $12 billion a year, amounts to the single largest cut to frontline services in Ontario's history, and we pay it every year. That's why we have made much-needed adjustments in this year's budget, and why we expect our partners to do their part as well. Because 90 cents, more than 90 cents of every dollar spent by the Government of Ontario is transferred elsewhere, to institutions like municipalities, hospitals and school boards. We're asking our partners to do the same thing that we are doing by carefully reviewing their spending, minimizing administrative expenses, and prioritizing what matters. Despite all the griping we hear from the opposition, our budget is a surprisingly modest plan to balance in 5 years, and those are the words of Marcus G., not a known Conservative. And because of our hard work, we can invest an additional $2 billion in healthcare and education this year, spending more on healthcare and education than any government in our history. Speaker, this is what responsibility, fiscal balance, and protecting what matters most looks like, and this is what we promised we would do and what we are doing.